Hi guys and girls, today we're going to be talking again about the number 10. We learned the number 10 yesterday and we practiced modeling it in 10 frames and using pictures. If you have 10 counters in your 10 frame, are there any spaces left over? No, that's why it's called a 10 frame. It has exactly 10 spaces. So if you've modeled 10 correctly in a 10 frame, it's going to be all filled up. We're going to do some writing of the number 10 today and some more counting of objects. So you need to get this paper out of your packet, lesson 4.2, and you need to get your name on the top. I'm going to do the same thing. All right. I'll give you just a second to do that. Okay, when you're done, I want everybody to put their finger on this first yellow cube. We're going to touch and count these together. So everybody get their finger right here. Let's get ready. We're going to count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 yellow cubes. We're going to trace this row of 10. 10 is a 1 and a 0. It means there's one group of 10s in the number and 0 ones left over. It is our first 2-digit number. That means it has 2 numbers in it. 1 and 0. When you get those ones traced, let's come down and put our finger on these blue eggs and count those together. Everybody got your finger on the first one? Let's touch and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 blue eggs. We're going to trace another row of 10. 1 and 0. And then we're going to trace the word 10. 10 is spelled T-E-N. N. Let's trace that number word. T-E-N. Alright, let's open it to the inside and put our finger on the red apple. What is this number we're talking about today? 10. There are 10 blue eggs again. Let's trace that number 10. 1 and a 0. Alright, down in these bottom spaces, we're going to count these eggs and we're going to write how many. I'm going to do the first 2. We're going to do them together. And then you're going to do the second 2 on your own, okay? Let's try the red ones. Everybody put your finger on the first red egg. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to write a 10 on the line. Remember, it's a 1 and a 0. Give you a second to write that. Let's put our finger on the green leaf. We're going to count these purple eggs together. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this time we're going to make a 9. Remember, you make a hoop and then a line. Alright, I want you to do these next 2 on your own. Count the pink eggs and write how many. Count the green eggs and write how many. Then you're going to do the same thing on this page. You're going to practice tracing the 10s. Then you're going to count each set of eggs and write how many. And on the back, you're going to draw me your own set of 10. 10, whatever you want. Maybe Christmas trees, maybe snowmen, maybe candy canes, something Christmassy, and you're going to write the number 10. So you finish up 10 on your own, and we will talk more about our numbers to 10 tomorrow. I'll see you then.